Shimmy Shakers, welcome back to Dancer Diaries, and if you are new here, please make sure you check it out. I have lots of discussions about belly dancing as well as tutorials, so have a look, and if you like them, make sure you subscribe so that you'll be notified of when new videos are released. So today I have a little bit of a different topic to talk about, but it's one that I believe in very deeply, but also I have a lot of discussions with people about this topic, and that is talent versus skill. With anything new, belly dancing, playing music, anything, there's always this discussion of, oh, you have to have musical talent to be able to do that, or you have to be a natural dancer versus being able to learn it. I truly believe that skills are something that we can all learn. If you set your mind to anything, you'll be able to do it. So, one example is that you might have seen in my video about turns and getting dizzy. I said I'm really not natural at that. Also choreography, I'm not natural at that either. It's very hard for me to learn choreography, but with practice, I've been able to do both. I have a lot of students who come up to me and say, oh, I could never try belly dancing. I'd love to be able to do it, but I'm uncoordinated. I don't have a musical ear. It would just be too hard. It's too difficult with my body to do things that are physical. For example, lots of things like that. But saying that, I have never ever in my whole 10 years of teaching experience met somebody who could not improve with lessons, with time, with practice. So really I want to say to you in this video is don't let your own fears about how you're going to be able to do it hold you back. I'm not naturally a dancer. I love dancing, it's my passion. I've been dancing all my life, but saying that, I'm not one of those people who in class picks up a move really quickly. There's other people who I've had classes with and worked with as well. When they're learning a choreography, they can do it twice and then get it straight away. For me, I have to sleep on it, I have to think of it again and again, I have to play it through my head, I have to hear it a lot, I have to hear the music a lot, but that has not stopped me from dancing, and it has not stopped me from living my passion as well. I think in our culture too, we're told to stand in a way that is counterintuitive sometimes to belly dancing. So I grew up in Australia and we're always taught to, oh yes, sit-ups really straight, hold your core in, keep your chest open, have your shoulders back, which yes, you do want to sit up really tall and have your chest open. But then when it comes to moves, for example, like popping your stomach out, a lot of people find that difficult, not necessarily because their muscles aren't there, but because they're always told, hold your stomach in, so even emotionally it's difficult to let your stomach out. I found the same thing with women who have quite big chest. In teaching my undulations, it's very hard for them to move their chest forward because the whole time they've been brought up being self-conscious of this area here, so to stick it forward and show it off is really difficult for them. I think as well in my culture as well, in Australia, when you grow up at school, it's all about like talent, and if you're good at this, then you can follow this path. But I believe as you become an adult that you can do anything that you want to, and you can be really good at it, and you can have a career in it if you just have determination. I have many friends who have been passionate about things and they just go for it and they'll do really well in their career because they love it. So I guess in the end, as I said, it's a bit of a different video, but I just wanted to share this with you all because I am often having conversations with people about belly dancing, and people saying they can't do it and having fear of it because they don't feel that they have the natural talent. But as I said, always difficult, especially if you haven't grown up in that culture. But if you keep going, you will be able to do it. You will definitely improve, and you'll have a lot of fun and get a lot of benefits physically and emotionally, mentally, and all those things as well along the way. So I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts? Are you someone who's a natural dancer? I'd love to hear from you. If you just pick things up easily, how has this been for you? Or if you find it really hard and you do struggle, what's your challenges been and how have you overcome them? Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you found this video interesting, and happy dancing.